All my thoughts are running round inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else and not.
Can see clear through the smoke.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys shopping with me at Joann's, Michael's, and HomeGoods. We are checking out all of the new fall decor. This is just one of my favorite things to do, just even window shop. The decor, fall decor is just so cozy and warm and inviting. I love it so much. So we are starting with Joann's. As you can see, their walls are not completely full at all. They are still putting items out. I think I'm going to come back here and do a full shop with me once everything's out, because Joann's always has the cutest stuff, and I feel like it's just like a super underrated place. You don't hear people talk about it as much. However, I will say that they are more pricey, and I only shop here when there is a good sale going on. So on this day, it was 30% off, and that was not cutting it. That brings their prices down to like Hobby Lobby's prices before sales. But nonetheless, they have some super cute items. I am loving this rust and burgundy and blue pattern they have going on. I love these faux leather pillows. They are so big and cute. And as always, they have the cutest hand towels. I always love their kitchen towels. They have so many different varieties, and every single one is just adorable. You are sure to find one that will go with your fall theme.
How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks?
Moving into the next aisle, as soon as I walked into this aisle, I knew that I would be coming to Joann's for my holiday paperware. I always get just like paper plates for Thanksgiving and stuff, just to make life easier, and they truly have some of the cutest ones. They seem to every year. Also, these chunky knit blankets, oh my goodness, I am obsessed. They are $99, so pretty pricey. If they're still here when they finally go on to like a 40 or 50% sale, I might end up snagging one, because I wanted one so bad last year. They're still so in trend this year, and they truly are just so cozy looking. Joann's is also typically where I get my doormats. They always have such cute ones, and again, when they do the 40% off sale, they end up being so inexpensive. Seeing as I typically have to throw out my doormats at the end of every season, I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on them, because they do just get so ruined.
Tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me?
Another trend I am loving is these chunky knit pumpkins. Everywhere I've been so far has had at least a couple of these, and I think they are just so adorable. This pillow is another thing. I will probably be getting this. I love that pillow.
May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Now that we have seen what Joann's has to offer for this season, at least a little snippet of it, we are heading to Michael's. Michael's was fully stocked with their fall decor. I'm pretty sure they had all of it out, at least from like what I was able to tell. So let's go ahead and browse through Michael's.
I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you.
loved this little section. I feel like it is just so cottage farmhouse inspired. I don't know what it is about this section, but I was just drawn to it. There's so many cute items over in this area. And what I love about sections like this is that all of these items can be used for fall, but they can also be used for other seasons as well. And I think that is so great because you're getting just so much more bang for your buck.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind.
I was very drawn to this little wagon. I think it is so stinking cute. It would look so cute on the porch, but it's like $69 and I just can't get myself to pay those prices, so I always try and wait until they go more on sale and hope and pray that they are still in stock once they do. But that wagon, it's just so dang cute. It's been calling my name ever since I left. Another thing I love is these tin canisters. Michaels tends to bring these out for most seasons and I love them. I definitely did pick one of those up. Speaking of that, I'm not going to share a haul with you guys in this video, but in a few days, probably at the end of this week, Friday, I will be doing my fall decor haul. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, that way you get notified when that video goes live. Whenever I film these videos, I always edit and get a little butthurt about some items that I decided not to buy, and this picture is one of them. I don't know what it is about that picture, but I just love it. I love the chippy rustiness of it. It is so adorable.
By you forever, and I won't waste this.
And if you are someone who loves sunflowers, loves to decorate with sunflowers for the fall, Michaels has you covered. Again, they have the tin canisters and the sunflower theme as well. They are so cute. All of this stuff is so cute. It almost makes me wish that I decorated with sunflowers for at least a little bit, because I'm seriously in love with all of this decor. Alright, last but not least, let's head into HomeGoods. HomeGoods had a bunch of these adorable chunky knit pumpkins as well. I was loving them all. They range from $9.99 to $14.99.
Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined.
I know it's like super early for Halloween, but I definitely did buy this garland. This pumpkin and ghost felt garland. I just fell in love with it and I had to get it.
Reality, and now you're laying next to me.
HomeGoods was stocked up on throw pillows. They had so many cute pillows. If you are in the market for some new ones, I definitely recommend going there. I might end up going back if I don't get the pillows that I really want to get right now because they are out of stock at Target. Praying they come back in stock, but HomeGoods does have so many cute ones. Let me just say that this ghost pillow right here, the stripes with the ghost, is another one that I am regretting not getting. I went back and looked at it like 5 different times before we left, and I was like, no, I don't want to get Halloween right now, and since it was the only one, I am regretting it. Although that Ray-Don ghost one is also super cute, so maybe if they don't have the ghost one when I go back, I will get the Ray-Don one. But look how cute those ghosts are, and it's just so neutral and pretty. I love it. Speaking of Ray-Don, I was laughing saying how I remember when Ray-Don used to be hard to find, and now it seems like whenever I go out I see it. When I first started hunting like 3 years ago, it was like really hard to find. You actually had to like hunt for it, and now I feel like I see new Ray-Don every time I'm out. Of course, now that I'm done collecting. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Obviously the stores didn't have everything out yet, so if you guys want to see another shop with me, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Maybe you got to do some window shopping via YouTube. I truly love doing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!